Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use EasyRoads 3D in Unity. First, ensure you have the EasyRoads 3D package imported into your Unity project. Next, create a new terrain object in your scene. Then, select your terrain and add the EasyRoads 3D script component to it. This initial setup is crucial for laying down your first road network efficiently and effectively, preparing your environment for detailed path creation. Now let's create your first road. Select the terrain object with the EasyRoads 3D script. In the inspector, click the Add New Road button. You can then place road markers by simply clicking on your terrain, defining the path. After placing markers, you can fine-tune the road's appearance, adjusting its width, perhaps to 10 units, and even adding banking for curves directly within the inspector panel. This gives you immediate visual feedback. Customizing your roads is straightforward. Use the road type drop-down to select from various styles, like a dirt path or a paved highway. To create intersections, simply place road markers very close to each other. EasyRoads 3D will automatically generate the junction. You can then adjust properties such as the intersection radius, perhaps to 5 meters, and assign specific materials. Don't forget to explore side objects for adding details like guardrails or curbs along your path. EasyRoads 3D automatically sculpts your terrain to conform to the road, creating smooth transitions. You can also manually refine terrain height and apply different textures around your roads for a more natural look. For performance optimization, especially in larger scenes, you can export your entire road network as a single mesh. Remember to save your EasyRoads 3D project regularly, ensuring all your hard work is preserved for any future modifications or expansions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.